Mr. Vogel.
Hey, Haley.
Hi.
Hey.
I just went to the grocery store and got you some snacks.
Okay.
They're all low fat, so you don't get too chubby.
Okay.
I got you some granola bars, some strawberry breakfast bars, and some baked chips.
Okay. Thank you.
Just don't tell Kelly that your mom hired me to be your assistant because she felt sorry for you and knows that you're useless without any extra help.
Okay. Won't tell her. Didn't Kelly fire you?
Well, she said she might hire me back if I promise to be good and not screw anything up. Plus, I need money. So, just give me the keys to your apartment, and I will clean up and do your laundry.
Okay. You're the best, Haley. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Mr. Vogel.
Bye-bye.